How to fix Riot Client not launching or not opening? First step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app. Click Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client. You should enable in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Riot Games. Riot Client. Click the application. And click Add in the bottom side. And make sure you should enable in both private and public. Click OK. And the next step, right click Riot Client, click Run as Administrator, or else click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as Administrator, click Apply and OK. And move on with next step. Open up this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click it, click Properties, click Tools, click Check, and scan the drive. It's actually scanning the C drive. Once complete, after a pop-up will appear, successfully scanned, no error were found. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for CMD, right click, click Run as Administrator and type the following text: SFC space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. The verification is ongoing. Wait until it completed. Once complete, after it will throw up the message. If there is any corrupted file having means it will shows the location. There is no corrupted file found. Exit it and move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click storage settings. Wait for some time to load. Once loading, after click the temporary files. Select the files you are going to remove. Click continue. Once removing, after come back, scroll down, enable the storage sense because it's automatically free up the space. Click display, scroll down, click graphics, select advanced graphics and disable the hardware acceleration GPU schedule. Search for your client. The GPU preference is set it as a high preference and optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it and click network and internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings, click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.